The US dollar index failed to break new highs, pulling back by several points ahead of Easter and jobs data to be released today. At the same time, the Australian dollar managed to pare some of its recent losses amid a choppy trade. Nevertheless, the outlook for the currency is still disappointing. The dollar-yen quotes also failed to gain ground during the last session, but today the pair is likely to resume its bullish run amid data on the US unemployment rate. Yesterday, in midday trade, the US dollar made a slight correction on the back of lower US government bond yields and in anticipation of jobs data. That's why today's trading day began at the level of 92 and 90. Due to Easter Eve in the United States, trade is going to be tepid and investors should not hope for any challenging breakouts. The US dollar index will most likely continue trading within the range of 92 and 90 and 93 and 20. Its further dynamics depend on jobs data, which is in the focus of market participants. Amid Biden's $2 trillion infrastructure plan and the rapid vaccination rollout, asset managers are cutting their shot in other currencies to make way for a dollar surge. As for the dollar-yen pair, its response to yesterday's dynamics of the European currencies was rather weak. The quotes continued to consolidate above the price channel line of 110 and 37. Therefore, it has lower odds of forming divergence, while the target for its growth remains at the level of 111 and 40. Today's macroeconomic calendar includes very important data on the US labor market, so the price is expected to get out of the formed triangle upwards to the predicted level. The previous trading day was also quite volatile for the Australian dollar. Bulls and bears were struggling for leadership in anticipation of US jobs data. Some of the market players left the market, closing their positions before the long Easter weekend. The trading volume was the highest in a week. From a technical point of view, indicators show that the bears have a better chance of taking the lead in the market. Today, the price has reached the indicator line at the level of 0.7617, and now the quotes can make any movement until US jobs data is released. Our main scenario assumes a decline in the price on optimistic data and its subsequent movement towards the target level of 0.7500 and 0.7375. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.